Riley and the Picnic. Once upon a time, in a sunny meadow full of colorful flowers, there lived a small rabbit named Riley. Riley had soft, brown fur and big, curious eyes that always twinkled with excitement. He loved hopping here and there, exploring every corner of his lovely home. One fine day, Riley's family thought of having a nice picnic. Riley was so thrilled. He couldn't wait to munch on the crunchy carrots and juicy berries. He was hopping around with so much joy, his little heart bursting with happiness. But just when they were about to start, something surprising happened. The sky, which was so clear and blue earlier, suddenly started changing. Dark clouds began to gather, covering the sun, and before Riley could even take his first bite, plop, a raindrop fell. Then another, and another, until it began pouring heavily. "Oh no, the rain has started," Riley whispered, his excitement turning into worry. His picnic basket, full of all the yummy treats, was sitting right in the middle of the meadow, getting completely soaked in the rain. Seeing the soggy basket, Riley's heart felt very heavy. Sigh. But Riley was not the one to give up easily. No, he was determined. With a quick hop, he decided to find a way to save the picnic. His little paws went pitter-patter across the wet grass as the rain softly drizzled around him. As he hurried through the meadow, Riley met his friend Tilly, the turtle, who was slowly making her way home, her shell shining with raindrops. "Hi, Tilly," Riley called out, his voice filled with hope but also a little worry. "Can you help me save the picnic basket from the rain?" Tilly looked at Riley with her kind eyes and gave him a gentle smile. "Of course, Riley. Don't worry, we will find a dry place together," she said in her calm and reassuring voice. Feeling a little better now that Tilly was with him, Riley continued his journey. Soon, they came across Milo, the mole, who was busy digging his burrow, his little paws working hard in the soft soil. "Milo," Riley asked, his voice trembling a bit, "can you help us? We need to find a safe place for the picnic basket." Milo looked up and saw the concern in Riley's eyes. With a warm smile, he nodded. "I'd be happy to help, Riley. Come, follow me." Milo led them to a cozy spot under a big tree, with thick, strong branches forming a protective canopy. Together, they quickly moved the picnic basket to the dry spot, and as they did, Riley felt so relieved. Phew. The food was safe, thanks to the help of his kind friends. As the rain slowed down to a gentle drizzle, Riley and his friends gathered around the basket. The storm had passed, and now, the air was filled with the fresh smell of rain and the sound of water dripping from the leaves. They sat down and began to share the delicious carrots and berries. Riley looked around at his friends, feeling a warmth in his heart that no rain could ever wash away. He realized that even though the day started with worry, it ended in the most wonderful way, with his friends by his side, sharing a simple joy. From that day onwards, Riley, Tilly, and Milo became the best of friends, always ready for new adventures and always helping each other. And whenever it rained, they knew that together, they could face any challenge and turn it into a fun and joyful adventure. And so, Riley the brave rabbit learned that with courage and friends by your side, you can always find a way to make things right. Do you want to hear more stories of Riley? Riley and the Magic Mango Tree, Riley and Rahe the Lost Moonbeam, Riley and the Meadow Race and many more? Then subscribe the channel. If you like the story, like, subscribe and click the bell icon.